In this video, we will look at the second Iboya. The case is the Shomer says Hareini Mishalm, he's willing to pay, and then dies before he has a chance to actually pay. And then come his Yarshim, his children, and they say, Einanu Mishalman, we are not willing to pay. And the two sides of the Iboya are as follows. A, do we say that they did change their mind? In other words, they're not going to follow their father's wishes and are not going to pay, in which case they should not get the kefel? Or perhaps they are using a delaying tactic and they do really want to pay, they did not change their mind, which means that they still will do as their father wished and pay, in which case they should get the kefel. On this section, Tosfos is bothered by a question. He asks, how is it even possible for the Yarshim to receive kefel? Kefel is a knas, and we know that ein Yarshin knas, that one cannot inherit knas. And here, they would seem to be inheriting their father's right to the knas. Tosfos leaves off with a question, but we've learned a couple of answers from the Mefarshim. First, there's the Maharsha, who actually ends up rejecting this answer, but he starts off saying that perhaps the Gemara doesn't mean that we're debating whether the mafkid, the owner, will get the kefel, or the yarshim, the children of the shomer. Perhaps the two sides of this Iboya is either the mafkid, the owner, gets it, or no one will get it. But as I said, the Maharsha himself rejects this answer. The Pnei Yeshua gives an answer, and he says that it's as if the Nasa Ka'omerlai, that was between the Mafkid and the Shomer, included as part of it a condition that if the children pay, he would be Makna the Kefel. And in this way, when the children receive the Kefel, it's for their own payment to the Mafkid, not their father's right in the Kefel. So they're not inheriting a Knas, they receive the Knas directly from the Mafkid and are not inheriting it from their father, the Shomer.